To add a screenshot button to the navigation bar on Samsung phone. First, let's go into the apps screen and open up Play Store. Then tap on the search button. In here, you want to look for an app called Good Lock. It's a Samsung app. Here we tap on the install button and wait for it to finish the installation. Okay, after that, tap on open. And we wait for the app to load up. Now tap on agreed and continued. Then we scroll down and tap on NavStar. We need to download this NavStar module, so tap on the download button to install the module. Okay, once it has finished installing, tap on it to open. And then in here we tap on new configuration. Make sure you turn it on first. Then tap on new configuration. Here is the default. So what we want to do is we want to add in an additional button. So we tap on button layout here and then tap on add button. Next we go down and tap on screen capture, and here you can move the button to the left or to the right in the navigation bar. So here I will place it on the left side, and then tap on the back key, and then we can tap on the save button at the top to save the changes. And here we have the screen capture button in the navigation bar. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.